Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Now, if you're a student or maybe a parent of one, and you've ever felt that familiar, heavy dread just looking at a towering stack of social science textbooks, well, you are definitely not alone. But today, we're actually bringing you some pretty fantastic news. We're going to break down the massive new CBSE Class 9 social science syllabus for the 2026-27 session. And right off the bat, I want to let you know that this incredibly detailed presentation was put together by the curriculum experts over at Vaani Tutorial, and it is proudly broadcast by the YouTube channel Post-COVID World. So, we've got a real powerhouse collaboration bringing you this info today. Vaani Tutorial is renowned for their deep dives into educational content, which makes them the absolute perfect, trusted experts to guide us through this major curriculum shift. And Post-COVID World is your premier broadcast platform for understanding these structural changes in our modern educational landscape. Together, we're going to unpack exactly how the syllabus update is actually designed to reduce your academic anxiety and honestly just make learning relevant again. So, here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the big syllabus shift and the move from 4 books to 2. Then we'll explore heritage and financial literacy, competency over rote learning, and wrap it all up with the ultimate takeaway. We're going to take this mountain of changes and turn it into easily digestible, bite-sized pieces. Okay, Section 1. The big syllabus shift, lightening the load. Okay, let's dive into this. Under the old syllabus, you had 4 separate, incredibly heavy books and a total of 20 dense chapters to slog through. I mean, it was a lot to carry in your backpack and, frankly, a lot to carry in your mind. But the new syllabus streamlines this massive amount of information into just 2 integrated parts, bringing the chapter count down to 16. That represents a very real, very welcome overall syllabus reduction of about 10 to 15%. 16. I really want to emphasize this magic number loud and clear. You're now looking at a total of just 16 chapters across the entire academic year. So for anyone who felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer volume of historical dates and geographical facts before, you can breathe a huge sigh of relief. Your academic lives just got significantly more manageable. Moving right along to Section 2. 4 books to 2, the integrated approach. I absolutely love this quote. Social science is the invisible architecture of human society. Really, think about that for a second. Instead of just memorizing isolated facts from 4 completely disconnected textbooks, you're now going to learn to view society as one cohesive working system. You'll be using 4 different lenses, time, space, rules, and resources to basically decode the matrix-like structure of reality. It's about seeing the connections, not just staring at isolated pieces of a puzzle. Let's move to and see how this builds. Here is how that integrated approach actually breaks down. Part A focuses heavily on the physical world and early history, containing 9 chapters. It covers foundational topics like the Earth's surface, climate, and the Vedic age. Then, Part B shifts gears to contemporary society and modern economy across 7 chapters. Here, you'll dive into modern issues like ocean life, the startup ecosystem, and actually managing your finances. It's a beautifully logical progression that just makes sense of the world. All right, Section 3, Heritage and Financial Literacy, Real-World Upgrades. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the formal introduction of Indian Knowledge Systems, or IKS. The new syllabus makes a pretty bold move here. It drops some of the somewhat disconnected world history topics to focus deeply on India's own diverse roots. You'll be exploring the Vedic age, learning about India's ancient global trade routes, and diving into ancient administrative wisdom, like Kautilya's concepts of nyaya, which is justice, and danda, or discipline. It's an educational framework that grounds your learning in intellectual traditions that are literally thousands of years old. And I am genuinely so excited to highlight this next edition. The curriculum now formally introduces practical financial literacy topics. We're talking about things you'll actually use: personal budgeting, understanding how income tax actually works, the basics of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, fixed deposits, and even exploring the vibrant Indian startup ecosystem. This is huge. The curriculum is finally preparing students for real adulthood and modern economic realities. Which brings us to Section 4. Competency over rote learning, the pedagogical shift. So the crucial point is, the dreaded days of rote memorization are officially over. The old way of just memorizing dates, names, and endless textbook definitions without truly understanding them, that's out. The new way prioritizes concept clarity, real-world case studies, and application-based tasks. Your exams won't just ask you to regurgitate facts anymore. They want to know if you actually understand the why behind how societal functions operate. It's all about active learning. And as part of this competency shift, the syllabus introduces a new value-based framework, the ethical compass for decision-making. Think of these 4 steps: appreciating diversity, inclusivity in action, sustainability, and understanding equity versus equality as kind of a GPS navigation system for your life. Social science is now practically designed to equip you with the tools to make sound ethical decisions out there in the real world. And that brings us to Section 5, the ultimate takeaway. And this brilliantly illustrates our final summary. Just look at this massive shift from 4 heavy, disconnected books focused on rote memorization down to 2 streamlined, beautifully integrated volumes that emphasize real-world application, rich Indian heritage, and crucial life skills. Understanding how human society works is truly a superpower. So the question is, what will you do with this new understanding? If you found this explainer helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment below, share this with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to Post-COVID World for more essential updates. Thanks for joining me.